Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect PayPal to your WooCommerce store. This will allow you to accept payments easily and securely. Let's get started. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to WooCommerce. On the left-hand menu, click Settings. Then next, go to the Payments tab. Here you will see a list of available payment methods. If PayPal isn't listed, you may need to install a PayPal plugin. You can find the free PayPal payments plugin on the WooCommerce website or WordPress plugin directory. Once you have the PayPal option available, click on Setup or Manage next to PayPal to configure it. Enter your PayPal email address. This is the email associated with your PayPal account. If you don't have a business account, you will need to upgrade to one to use PayPal with WooCommerce. Scroll down to configure additional settings like enabling PayPal Sandbox for testing, setting up IPN notifications, and customizing checkout pages for detailed setup. Refer to the WooCommerce documentation. Once you have configured everything, click Save Changes at the bottom of the page, and that's it. You have successfully connected PayPal to your WooCommerce store. Now you can start accepting payments from your customers. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.